how to buy Solana meme coins on Solana chain. So the first step is to use a wallet like Phantom. So as you can see for this tutorial, I'm using Phantom wallet. So you're gonna have to, first of all, get some Solana on this wallet. So you can either receive it, so simply tap on Solana and then tap on receive. And here you can transfer from other cryptocurrencies like crypto exchanges like Binance, or you can simply tap on buy and select Solana and then simply enter the amount, then tap next and simply choose the payment method. Now, after you get some Solana on Phantom, you're gonna have to simply tap on this globe icon, and here you can simply select Solana as network, and here you can find all the meme coins on Solana. You can simply select the meme coin that you want to buy, and then simply choose the amount of Solana you want to convert for that meme coin, and then you're gonna receive it right here, just like this one here, which is when. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching.